Hello, everyone. Welcome. My name is Melissa Lovejoy, and today I'll be discussing technology for personal development. Today, we're living in a global pandemic, and a lot of the things and our norms and the things we used to do our day to day, it's either limited or it's non existent. So, how can we develop during this time? Well, we have to make sure that the things that we do are convenient. So, some of our formal professional development comes through in the form of online training classes, there's webinars, there's online classes for continued learning. These things are in place to help us stay current on certain policies within our practice because things are changing every time a student enters college because the student type is changing. The things that they like and they do are changing. So we have to be able to reach those students. So this helps us stay up to date. There's also informal professional development ways, staying in the know. Everyone has a phone. Everyone is using social media. So why not utilize it to our advantage for our personal development? There's Twitter, there's Facebook, there's blogs, there's Instagram, university apps. They're there and in place to do things for its advertise and promote certain campus programs. There's staff and development training. You may want to tell someone about something you learned, and that person can read it and want to add it to their personal development. So it goes hand in hand interchangeably. If you earn it, we award it. There are massive open online courses that are there, and you are provided certificates, digital badges, recognition among your professional communities because you're able to go through these courses, master a skill. And how awesome is it that your mentors or your peers in a professional community are able to see that you've mastered those skills. And those things help us when we go for those future promotions and we obtain that desired jobs and that goal for those particular programs. And all in all, these particular things help us embrace the change. We're always preparing for the unknown. So you always have to stay ready. Technology gives us that ability and that capacity to stay with the change. So nothing's ends up like a shock. I think going through this pandemic has woken us up from our complacency. So now we have to stay ready so we won't have to get ready. That concludes my presentation, and hopefully something within this presentation you can utilize for your own personal development because it has helped me, if I can speak for myself. So hopefully it will help you. Thank you very much.